Lenny. Oh, little buddy, did I scare you? I'm sorry. Wake up, wake up. Okay, don't worry about it. I'm gonna get you out in a jiffy. You just keep holding your breath, little wormy.
Yo, Lenny!
I'm coming, Frankie!
Well, move it. Come on, Pop's waiting.
Here we go, and gotcha! Okay, buddy, you're free. Now escape, go. Just go, cry freedom. Oh, you almost gave me a heart attack.
Lenny, what are you doing?
What? I was just, picking you some flowers. Hey, Mom said it's not okay to hit. Ah!
Mom's not here. Da-dum. Da-dum.
Don't.
Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum,
Don't.
da-dum, da-dum, ba-da-ba-da.
Ugh, that song gives me the creeps.
What do you mean? It's our theme song.
Are they gone? Are they gone? You sure? Good morning, Southside Reef. I'm Katie Current, keeping it current. We've just received official confirmation. The sharks are gone. I repeat, the sharks are gone.
Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing.
According to the latest Scallop poll, fear of sharks is at an all-time high. Join us tonight for an in-depth report. How long must this reef live under siege? Is there no hero among us? Who can stop this shark menace?